What is good, people, and thanks for tuning in to the Motor Machines channel. Today I'm just out for a mild e-bike ride on the 1500 watt Trek DIY rear hub, and it's blistering hot. It has been for a few days now. It's probably about 28-29 degrees at the moment. I was going to go on the Saron, not to this destination. I had different plans, but I just thought, oh, it's so hot. Just imagine if you do get a puncture in this sort of temperature, there's no need for it. You're just completely getting dehydrated every time you're out for just a few minutes. I thought, what can I do? Well, I'm going to go on the e-bike, but I don't want to do nothing serious. I want to try and get in a shaded area. And I thought, I'm going to go to one of the most beautifulest little ponds around here, and I'm going to throw my magnet in if I can. Have a quick scour around there. Don't know what I might find, not sure if anyone would have done it, not sure if it's going to be possible. There might be too many people around. I don't have a Danny LaRue, so that's the plan. I actually have some new brake pads for this bike now, some organic ones. I just haven't put them in yet. I thought I could do that when I come home. So I want to get out before it gets even hotter. This sort of temperature, well, it's no good to man or beast. Something I've worked out on this bike, I've complained before that pedal assist 1 is a little bit fast. Well, it's just taken me all this time to work it out, but if I just thumb to the speed I want to go to and then pedal, I can pick the speed I want to cruise at, if you know what I mean. And then when I'm pedaling, obviously I'm not using the battery. Like, look, if I pedal now, it doesn't help going uphill, but it's just a bit fast, that is. It's about 14 miles per hour it goes in first gear. But if I just thumb to the speed I want to go at, like there, and then pedal, I've got all the assist I need. Look at these dirty buggers. Rubbish everywhere. There's a bit of a proper English country garden in the summer. What a load of work. People don't realise my missus is alright, like, stick all these plants in here. I'm like, you trim them then, you maintain them, you prune them, you water them, and then she does it for about a week, and it seems to another job for me. Yeah, more work. And then she decides to buy the kids guinea pigs a while back, and now they're bored of them, and you know, who's putting them in and out every day? Cleaning them out once a week at least. Yeah. Fatherhood can be good sometimes. At 5 miles per hour at all times. It doesn't say anything about please do not ride bikes around the garden. Okay. Where's the garden? Like something out of Robin Hood. These tall trees. They've been here some time. Nice little mild e-bike ride this is. It's refreshing now I'm in the shade. That's better. I'm not one to lie out in the sun and try and tan up. It's no good for your skin. Let's just walk it for a minute. Check the place out, see what's happening. I'm just loving getting out in the fresh air. Into nature. But this is a lovely pond. I've been to once, maybe twice. Baby chicks. Can I get the magnet out? That is the question. It's going to be some peaceful, quiet place. I can hear some people. Let's go this way and fall in. Oh, there's another moorhen. Got a bit of bread for you lot. Yeah, you lucky things. We're gonna go wild now, look. What do you reckon then with a magnet in here? This is my disguise to check the place out. You never know, do you? Alright, calm down. How you on, sir? Hey, you little. Ooh. Yes. All queue up. Can't line up. Hey, little. Oh, there's loads of little babies. Dog eat dog on this lake. I'm sure they get fed loads. Yeah. It's all that shit, isn't it? So many people about, I don't want to go disturbing the peace with a massive great splosh. I can hear loads now. It's a bit risky. It's a bit busy for my liking. I thought everyone would be thinking I was too hot. Let's go somewhere else. You thought wrong. Cheers. Thanks. Everyone seems to be getting out of my way, I think. Probably look a bit funny walking around here with a helmet on. Full face. Now then, this should be a bit different. I have been along this area, but I've found another exit which I just want to check out and confirm. Sort of the opposite side, so it's handy to know. I don't know why you'd want to know anything like that, but I do. Something else I've realised on this bike, I keep hearing a little like knocking, and it's sort of the what the battery fits on. Oh no. God, I've got more scratches on my arms than I ever have recently. There's this other entrance. Get that way. Oh no. Oh, you. Yeah. Oh. I've just got stung more times than a beekeeper then, and there's more. I thought I got stung this morning anyway. They're kind of going a little bit. Famous last words. So I should be able to keep her along here, and then there'll be a gateway heading up the field. That place back there was so busy. I was thinking about coming on the Saron. Usually I'll come and check a place out on this e-bike, sort of get my bearings, work things out, and then possibly go back on the Saron if I think it's doable, possible. And I'd like to go up there and come down this way where no one can see me. Whoa, that's quite thin. I'd just squeeze through there, I think. Now we're out the public sort of, well, I can see there's no one around. I can open it up a bit. Yeah, look, that's that knocking. You can hear it. And when I pinch it together, that other noise you can hear is the forks. What I will say is, I should do a video on it, but that giant bike is way more better than this Trek in quite a few ways, in my eyes anyway, in my opinion. This Trek feels a lot more cheaper and a bit more nastier. That could be a number of reasons though. That's why I need to do a video. On the back road. My plan is now I'm just going to start heading home. I literally just wanted to come out for a bit of an escape. I had a couple of excuses. Wanted to try the magnet and check out that other exit. It's confirmed. So that's a result. And I know that place is pretty busy, so I won't be coming back at this kind of time, whatever it is. It's probably about 12:30 now. I don't want to look because it will give you my location. Hope you enjoyed that mild e-bike ride, and once again thanks for watching the Motor Machines channel.